In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Facebook ads support. Whether you're a seasoned advertiser or new to the platform, there may come a time when you need direct assistance from Facebook's support team. Figuring out how to reach out to them can seem daunting, but I'll guide you through the process, making it simple and straightforward. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is essentially your command center for managing advertisements on Facebook. If you've not utilized it before, think of it as your dashboard for everything from ad creation to performance analytics. Once you're at the Facebook Business Manager page, the next step is to log in using your Facebook credentials. Click on Log in with Facebook and proceed to enter your details. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure to choose the account that's linked to the ads you're inquiring about. This ensures that the support team can access the exact data they need to assist you. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the lower left panel of your screen. Here you'll find an option labelled Ads. Clicking on this will take you to another layer of options related to your advertising activities. Look for the Ads Manager option and click on it. This is where all your ad campaigns are organised and monitored, making it a crucial spot for understanding the specifics of your inquiry before reaching out for support. Next, navigate your cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen and look for the Help button. Upon finding it, click on this to proceed. This action opens up a variety of resources and options designed to offer assistance, but we want to zero in on contacting support directly. Therefore, at this point, click on Help Center located at the bottom right panel. This redirects you to a more focused area where Facebook consolidates numerous resources for troubleshooting and guidance. However, our goal is to initiate a direct line of communication with the support team. Now, within the Help Center, look for an option that states Find Answers or Contact Support. Clicking on this brings you closer to getting the help you need, yet there's another step to narrow down exactly how you wish to engage with support. Look for and select the Get Started button. This action is designed to guide you through a process that tailors the support experience to your specific issue. After clicking Get Started, you'll soon see an option labelled Contact Support. This is where you're getting to the crux of reaching out. Click on this option to proceed to the final stage of your journey towards contacting Facebook Ads support. The following page is where you'll describe your issue or concern. It's essential to be as detailed as possible here. This information is what the support team will use to understand and address your problem. Whether it's a technical glitch, billing query, or a question about ad performance, clearly outlining your issue will facilitate a quicker and more efficient resolution. For those times when navigating through the Business Manager feels perplexing, or you're unable to access certain areas, here's a direct approach you might find helpful. You can email the support team at platformcs@support.facebook.com. Sending an email could be a convenient alternative, especially if you prefer having your communication in writing or need to include screenshots or other attachments to elucidate your issue further. Remember, while reaching out for help, remaining patient is key. Support teams handle a vast number of inquiries daily, but they make concerted efforts to respond as promptly and helpfully as possible. Closing out, I hope this guide has illuminated the path to contacting Facebook Ads support for you. Whether through the structured channels within the Facebook Business Manager or directly via email, rest assured that the support you need is within reach. Keep this video bookmarked for future reference and don't hesitate to revisit any steps if you find yourself needing assistance again. Happy advertising, and here's to achieving your marketing goals with confidence and the support you need.